Hey everyone, welcome to my new channel, Natural Beauty and Health Remedies Women of all ages. Today, I'm diving into the world of DIY beauty remedies, specifically focusing on skincare for women. I've got 3 fantastic recipes that you can try at home, all while matching images to guide you along the way. So let's get started. First up, let's talk about a moisturizer for face and body that'll leave your skin glowing and radiant. Did you know that aloe gel is an excellent moisturizer? Combine it with just a few drops of rosehip oil, and you've got yourself a fantastic skincare treatment. Trust me, your skin will thank you. Next, we're going to tackle dark spots and hyperpigmentation. All you need is vitamin C serum and niacinamide. Apply these 2 together to see real results in just 8 weeks. Your skin will look brighter and more even. Finally, let's combat breakouts with a natural toner. Mix equal parts green tea and water thyme in aloe gel for an all-natural solution that helps keep those pesky pimples at bay. So there you have it, 3 amazing DIY skincare recipes for women that you can try at home today. Thanks for joining me. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more beauty and health natural remedies. Until next time, take care of your skin and stay beautiful.